Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX installation failed issue on ShareX in 2026. So if the setup is not installing, showing errors, or stopping halfway, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure you downloaded ShareX from the official source. Sometimes corrupted or fake installers can cause installation failure. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the installer download process. Now right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Without admin permission, installation may fail on Windows. Next, disable antivirus or Windows Defender temporarily because sometimes they block installation files by mistake. Now check if your system meets the minimum requirements. Older Windows versions may not support the latest ShareX build. Next, clear temporary files on your system. Corrupted temp data can interfere with new installations. Now make sure you have enough storage space on your drive. Low disk space can stop installation completely. Next, uninstall any previous broken version of ShareX before reinstalling the new one. Now try downloading the latest version again and run the installer from a fresh file. Finally, restart your computer and try installing once more after reboot, and that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX installation failed issue. Now ShareX should install smoothly without any errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.